noodles. Now this is simply leftover dough from my dumplings. So all I'm doing is just dusting it with plenty of flour and just rolling it out as thin as I can. And I'll get to about 1 millimeter in thickness and then I'll stop. Show you. See that? Okay. Now dust it with more flour all over. And now it's time to cut. Fold again. It's getting stuck down there. Just pastry cutter and cut it as thin or as thick as you like them. Now this is not very high gluten flour that they usually use for making noodles. This is simply all-purpose flour, so I can't stretch it too long because it will fall apart. So all I'm doing is trying to stretch it as much as I can, and that's that. Now once these noodles are ready, I am going to pop these in boiling hot water for just a couple of minutes, just like pasta, until they start to float, just like fresh pasta, until they start to float, and then toss them in a mix of light soy sauce, some rice vinegar, scallions, a little bit of ginger, and some chili oil. Really, that's it.